What's going on, guys? Philly here with a brand new video. Alright guys, so right now I'm about to go pick up this new car I just bought. I actually bought it from Copart. I think I bought it like a month ago, and the only thing is that I bought it in I think it was Minneapolis, somewhere out there. I actually had to pay a semi-truck to bring it here, a transporter. I was gonna go get it, but I got a good deal on the transport, so I figured they bring it, but they took like 2 to 3 weeks. So I just got a call from the transporter guy. He said that the truck is here. It's actually like 10 miles away, so I'm gonna go pick it up in my trailer. The reason for me taking the trailer right now is because it has some damage on the rear driver's side wheel, and I think the bed is a little fucked up, so it has no tags, so I can't really drive it on the street. When I read the description in Copart, it said it ran and drove, or it turned on and drove, but I'm not gonna risk it, so I'm just gonna tow it. And I hope it fits, because it's not a regular truck, it's a dually truck, so wish me luck. Alright guys, so we're about to pull up to the house where my new truck is. I'm a little nervous. I'm excited. Oh, I see it. You see it? Shit. You see it? You see it? She's right there. Let me park my truck and then I'll show it to you guys. Alright guys. There she is. Oh, holy shit! What do you think? What do you think, Nadia? What do you think? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Does it look like the pictures?
No.
No?
I think better.
Think it looks better? Guys, we only saw the truck in pictures, so I mean, fuck. We were a little scared because we didn't know what it was gonna look like. You know, in pictures it looks pretty clean, it looked pretty alright, you know, and in person it could be something else. So I mean, from a first glance it doesn't look too bad, so I'm gonna get off and then we'll see what's up. Alright guys, so we had a little situation. The truck didn't fit, so I'm gonna go back home. I'm only like 10 minutes away, so I'm gonna go home, and since the truck drives, I'm just gonna go get the car so my lady can drive the car, and then I'll drive the truck back. Alright, see you guys in a few. Ho-ho! I'm back. Let's take her home, boys. I'm just kidding. Let's take her to the car wash because she's a little dirty girl. Alright. What does that say? Limited edition, bro. Check out the dash. I fucking love the dash. And it's push start. Fucking, let's see, it's got Navi. Oh, that's where I'm at. You guys don't want to see that. Fuck yeah, guys, I'm excited. I thought the day would never come when I picked this puppy up. Alright, let's go to the car wash real quick. do I look? You wanna go for a ride? Have fun. Look at the miles. 53K, 54 actually. Check out that sunroof though. Everything is fucking luxury on this fucking truck. You got a push start button. Check it out. You ladies wanna go for a spin? You ladies wanna go for a spin?
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, so I did buy this truck from Copart. It's not perfect, but it will be pretty soon. So this is the good side, right? Let me show you guys the other side. I bet you guys weren't expecting this, but let's see. Wait a second. Alright, you guys ready? You guys ready to see the cons on this truck? Bam! Putazo, fue su pinche madre. So yeah, this is the only bad part. It had a fucked up wheel too, but I put the spare on. Good thing it was the same wheel, Alcoa wheel. So I mean, this is the only bad part, the bed. It's all fucked up from there, from here. It's got this little fucking dent on the door. The bumper's fucked up too. You see a fucking dent on that drive shaft. I gotta get a new one, and I gotta put it on, and then should be good. Other than that, the drive shaft and the box, it's a solid ass truck. It's pretty clean in the inside. I mean, it was kind of dirty, but I took it to the car wash right now. Check it out. No rips, no nothing. It's pretty decent. It's got that sunroof, you know. And this is a mega cab, so we got a lot of room for activities. Like I said, look, I'm gonna have to take it somewhere to get washed up pretty good. Check it out. So these seats do recline. Check it out. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. Oh shit, check that shit out. Look. Check it out one more time. Oh, what's up? You know, you got some room for activities, you know? Know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's a dope truck. Like I said, I was a little nervous because I bought this truck like a month ago, and the transport, I was a little sketched about the tow guy, the transport guy. So I mean, fuck it, it's already here. I'm excited to start working on her. Check it out. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove this fucking bumper. That's the ugly ass bumper. Like I said, I bought it somewhere in the Midwest. Over there in that side of the country, it's a must for you to have protection on your bumper, but not out here. Out here, only thing you need protection from is from people, you know, but we're not gonna be running over people. So yeah, I'm gonna remove this shit, try to get the fucking stock one. I'm gonna get some like 20-inch wheels, and 20-inch wheels with like a 35 tire, the bed, and then the drive shaft, and the truck should be solid. You know, I might sell the Chevy, not sure yet. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this truck, I think it still retails for like 60 grand, maybe a little more, because it's a limited edition. It's got everything. It's got every fucking extra you can ever possibly get on a truck like this. So I mean, fuck it, I got it for a good deal. We could say I got it for half the price of what it's worth. And I got the pink slip for it. Once I'm ready, I'm not sure, I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. I don't think I'm gonna sell it though, because I need an extra truck. Word on the street is that Christian's coming back to the vlog, so, but I'm not gonna promise you guys anything. But Christian motherfucking Caillou might be coming back to the vlogs. All right, so just keep an eye on, turn on your post notifications. I want to give a special shout out to everybody that comments on my videos. Thank you guys for the feedback. Thank you guys for showing love to the channel. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.